This video, from OS College, demonstrates clearing the contents of entire columns in Google Sheets. This can be done on more than one column. Clearing columns removes the data from them, but leaves the column or columns in place. This is different from deleting columns, which will remove the selected columns and shift all the columns to the right of the selected columns to the left. Clearing columns can be accomplished by selecting the desired column or columns, then clicking the arrow at the top of the column to reveal a menu. This menu also can be revealed when you right-click on the selected column. Here are the steps to clear a single column. Click the arrow at the top of the column you want to clear. In the menu that appears, click Clear Column. Instead of clicking the arrow, right-clicking on the header of the desired column will also cause the menu to appear. I will click the arrow in column B. Clicking Clear removes the contents in the B column, but leaves the column in its place. For clearing multiple adjacent columns, click the header in the farthest left column that you want to clear. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Then click the header in the farthest right column that you want to clear. I will select columns B through D. The next step is to click the arrow in one of the selected columns, or right-click on the selection. Click the Clear item in the menu that appears. This quick video, from OS College, has been about clearing the contents in columns of a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Quick videos are short videos about a particular feature or aspect of an application. This video is on several social media sites, including the OS College Facebook and MeWe pages. It is also on YouTube. If you are watching on YouTube, be sure to click subscribe and like to receive notifications for videos about various applications and Linux distros. There are more videos about Google Sheets and other applications on the OS College YouTube channel. There are even more videos, articles, and other information about various applications and operating systems on oscollege.com. Thank you for watching.